Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming access and file readiness. Once logged into your Turnitin account, choose the correct class and assignment immediately so you don't misfile. Make sure the file is PDF or docx and contains no hidden comments or tracked changes. Upload the document, add a clear title, then confirm submission. You'll see a confirmation receipt. This first upload creates the originality report queue, and starting here avoids delays later when the system Once Turnitin finishes processing, open the similarity report and don't rush, give it a full pass. Make sure to adjust the filters, exclude quoted material, bibliographies, and set the minimum match size to a sensible number to reduce noise. Use the side-by-side view to compare student text with sources and click each highlighted match to trace the exact origin. Review the overall similarity percentage, but focus on the context of matches rather than the raw number. To finish, compile your findings and decide on the appropriate action based on patterns and severity. Communicate results to the student with clear examples and suggest next steps like revision or academic review. If a student contests matches, request drafts or clause explanations and allow resubmission when policy permits. Use the repository of drafts to compare changes. If the report fails to generate or shows errors, clear your browser cache. Try reprocessing the file, and contact Turnitin support only after reattempts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.